Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove E92 M3 headlights. Before starting, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery. You'll need a few common tools, including T20 and T30 Torx bits, along with 8mm and 10mm sockets. Ensure you're working in a well-lit area and have your vehicle securely supported on jack stands. Removing the front bumper is the first major step. Begin by taking out approximately 8 8mm bolts from each wheel well liner. Next, locate and remove the 7 8mm screws positioned along the bottom edge of the bumper. Finally, open your hood and remove the 4 T30 Torx screws that secure the top of the bumper. Carefully pull the bumper forward and disconnect any attached sensors or headlight washer lines. With the bumper removed, you can now access the headlight units. First, carefully unplug all electrical connectors from the back of each headlight. There are typically 5 T30 Torx bolts holding the headlight in place, along with one 10mm bolt located underneath the light. Once all fasteners are removed, gently slide the headlight unit out of its housing. After successfully removing the headlights, take a moment to inspect all wiring and connectors for any wear or damage. It's also a good idea to clean the headlight housing area thoroughly before installing new or reinstalled units. When storing your removed headlights, ensure they are placed in a safe location to prevent any accidental scratches or breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.